today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you a little flu buster video. JAMMAS day number 1, 2023. We're going to be kicking it this way. But let me pause right here to say special thanks to my patrons that have been making my page possible. Check on the link in the description and show us some love on Patreon. Post notification shout out today will be right up there. JAMMAS day number 1, 2023. Let me just say thanks to all those who have been there from JAMMAS day number 1, 2017. This is the Jamaican cooking journey. We own this JAMMAS. It was created by us here on the Jamaican cooking journey. If you don't know, everybody say Vlogmas. We are Jamaicans and we say JAMMAS. So we'll be going for 12 days. We are trying to make up for last year. Last year was a bit lame, I know that. But it's gonna be 7 years now. And if you have been here from year 1, I wanna say thank you, special thanks. Special thanks to those who have joined us along the journey. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. Make sure you press the option that says all. Make sure you're subscribed. And as we go through these 12 days of JAMMAS, it is the first 12 days in the month of December. Now I want to start this off with you by giving you a little homemade flu remedy. I want you to be really in good health for the holiday. I don't want you to be sick. That when you buy up your nice little stuff and do your food, and when we are doing the lives and making stuff live and doing our little gallivanting and being happy, you're not sick. So whether you have the flu or you don't have the flu, try to see if you can get this one in. Let me put on a little disclaimer here. I am not a doctor. I am a cookies. And neither am I a chef. But I want to encourage you, if you're taking medication, ask your doctor before you make this. This is just some little homemade, little herbs and, little herbal tea and stuff. I know we are going to make it, but it doesn't matter. Make sure you ask your doctor if it's okay, what if it will go against anything that you're taking as medication. I am making sure I put that disclaimer on. So I have here some fever grass. I have 5 of those slender leaves and I made a bowl with it. I have 3 cinnamon leaves and I have the mace of 1 nutmeg. Okay, we're gonna make some tea for the sniffles. I was on the road yesterday and I realized that almost everybody, they were sniffling and sneezing. This is the time of year for it. Even in Jamaica here, when you wake in the mornings, it's a bit chilly. Can you imagine all the way up there in the cold? So who don't have it already, try take this to keep it off, and if it's coming on to you, try see if you can minimize it. You're going to be needing 1 lime or lemon. I'm using a lime, but not at this point. I'm going to put about 3 cups of water in here. Yes? And we are going to be leaving it to come to a boil. Okay? So as soon as it starts boiling, we will return. That's how we're kicking it off. We're making sure that you're staying healthy. Health is wealth. You see it's boiling and you see the color is coming out. So at this point now, you want to turn it off and leave it to steep. Leave it to steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. The longer it steeps, the stronger it is. This is just a little flu remedy for JAMMAS day number 1. Okay, now, so we got our little tea all steeped. Yeah, and as I said, the longer it steeps, the stronger it becomes. That is just the amount. We would have just drinking a 1 serving. Well, for me. You see this? So it looks nice, pretty. Yeah. Now, you want to use your lime or your lemon. Make sure you try to get the seeds out, and you're gonna make sure it's extra ripe, so you're not gonna strain it at this point. So you want to just squeeze it until you get the riper it is. The more you get all those pulps coming out, you just want to squeeze it. 1 whole lemon for you, and let it be extra ripe. Make sure you wash it on the outside properly. So you want to squeeze it Whether you want to squeeze it with your hand or wherever. You want to get all the pulps out. So you don't want to strain it. You know, you see all that going down in there? So this is how it looks when you have squeezed all of it out. And you see it, the pulps there on the side going down. Next clip. If you want, you could use your skins in there too. Yeah. So you get it all in. So you see how the lemon has transformed the color, family. I hope you're watching. And in this now, for a little sweetener, if you have your honey or whatever you want to use, you use. You could even use a little brown sugar. Just for taste up, we just have to put just like a little teaspoon of honey. We don't want nothing sweet because we don't know it go. We just want to get a nice little taste that we can enjoy it. So we just mix out a little honey. And this is what it looks like. The seeds are in there, but you know to remove your seeds and to drink around the seeds. Cheers. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table. To this flow season and to everything is cheers. Drink. To your health. Wow. We want to enjoy the Christmas season. Thanks for watching.